guys, it's me Zucrup, and today you're gonna learn top 2 best sounds in the world. So, do you wanna hear it? Are you excited? I'm also excited also. Let's try it out. Let's see this sound. If you like it, you can learn it from me in this video. If you wanna see more, comment down below. First, this. It's so easy, right? And you only need 3 only. Only 3. That's all. 3 black things. First, 2 behind, right? 2. Then do this. And these, remove it. Okay? You don't need it. Do this first. Or this. Do this in the middle. If you want, then at the second try, you have to do good. Like this. Like 1, 2, 3. Okay? Like this. Stop. Then this good. 3 times, okay? It's so easy. You can do it every day. Next is pretty medium level because I'm 10. So if you're 10, you had to use this medium level to get good. Complete good. Understand? So let's see if you got this. Let's see this. It's so easy. Just 3. 3. First is these keys. Here. These 3. Only use these. Leave these 4 behind. You don't need it. Do this. Do this. Press a start, then at the end. But don't do middle. It might be easy if you do this. But you have to do the hard level. Like this. And at the end, do this. Leave these 2 behind. Like this. Like it shows a high-pitched sound. Now repeat it after me. If you want to do easy mode, you can do this. So easy, but if you want to do high pitch, do this. Super easy, and I hope you like my channel. So if you want to see more about my amazing piano things or talent, you can use it on my channel if I don't know which channel is mine. So if you like my channel, bye! Let's go piano!